All right, are you ready for challenge 19? All right, so here's the goal of this challenge. Instead of console logging whether something matched or not matched, we actually want to render the actual page. So that if we have a post, say called another post, inside our homepage, we should be able to head over to /posts/another-post. And the goal of this challenge is that when I hit enter, we should now get taken to a brand new page that's been rendered using EJS, and it's a standalone page that just contains the contents of that particular blog post. And if I had more than one post, say if I had another post called day 2 as the title, then I should be able to navigate to it by simply going to /posts/day-2. And now when I hit enter, I get taken to another page, a brand new page for this blog post. And no matter how many new posts that you compose, every single one of them should dynamically get its own page just by using EJS and our express routing parameters. Inside the views folder, you should notice that you already have an empty file called post.ejs. See how you can use this along with what we've got so far in order to create this outcome. Pause the video and complete the challenge. Now, my first hint for you is that you don't need this else statement anymore. You're only checking to see if the requested title is equal to the store title. And in that case, instead of console logging, you want to send people over to this post.ejs page. And you need to render this page such that it gets access to the title and the content of the post that is being requested. You will need to decide on some variable names for what you want to pass over using EJS. You'll have to add the layouts, the header and the footer, just as we have done for all the other pages. And then you have to use the EJS tags in order to render an H1 and a paragraph tag of the title and the body. So see if this is enough of a hint for you to now be able to complete the challenge. Now, the second hint, if you need it, is that remember how we rendered our home page, right? We actually used a method called res.render. Seems like a long time ago, but we used res.render, and then we specified the name of the page that we want to render, and then we added a comma, and then we specified a JavaScript object where we have a key and a value. And the value is the thing that we want to pass over, and the key is the thing that we get to access inside that target page. So with this final hint, see if you can now complete the challenge.